The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through 2023 Ford Bronco Sport with the factory raised side rails. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero base crossbar system. So this is made up of the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero load bars, 50 inches in length, and the Rhino-Rack SX leg pack, which come in a set of 4. So this does include locking end caps as well. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 150 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars are variable along the length of the raised side rail. So a great rack for all different sorts of gear and cargo. So this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.